Hmm. Hello there, y'all. It's been a while, hasn't it? It's me, so we're back at it again with the latest episode of Dispatch. I am extremely sorry for not uploading. Yes, I know, it's been a long time. We stopped at episode 5. I should have uploaded episode 6, but at first, I didn't have time. I actually didn't have time. You guys know college, midterms, and the whole shebang. I had quizzes, so I had to focus. Just now, I just finished a presentation and I submitted it. It was funny. I did good on the PowerPoint presentation, but on the recording, I was a fool. I was a complete fool. It was funny looking at it. And yeah, ah, I'm I hate the community. They spoiled me a lot. I'm thankful I did not get spoiled much. As soon as I see Dispatch, I immediately move. I don't even watch the memes. The only meme that I know, there's two sides of the community divided currently. The first one is with somehow Invisigal. What? What? Yes, I can understand some of you, but not all of you. Why would you turn down Maggie? The blonde, not forget the blonde, that brunette, that 10 out of 10. Oh my god, that incredible woman. What can I say? Lunatics are lunatics, no matter what you do. As for the second decision, Sonar and Poop. I chose Poop because, well, she's better. I didn't like the shtick of. I know, most critical. I should have kept him. But, eh. Too bad, I guess. Enough talking. Let's get into episode 6. Moving parts. Employees are expected to use good judgment and avoid situations that create an actual or potential conflict between their personal interest and the interest of SDN employee handle. Oh yeah, episode 8 and 7 now on. They say there will be a season 2. I am very excited. And also, I am still waiting to kill Shroud. I am sliming that fucker down. I am critical. That reminds me of someone. What is going on right now? Who the hell is hacking? Robert Robertson. Oh, it's the mech test.
Hey everybody, I appreciate you coming to see this. Your support means a lot.
Can't believe you actually hung out with those fuckers.
You jealous, old man?
Of what? Let me guess. You get into a bar fight? I'm right. That's what criminals do at bars. They ruin everybody's fun. Fact. If you're gonna make me stand next to a criminal, you could at least hurry this shit up.
If you're gonna make me stand next to Benjamin's fucking button, you could at least change his diaper.
Where's the 3 a.m. tacos?
Well, what you missed was 3 a.m. tacos leading to 4 a.m. heartburn, followed by 5 a.m. diarrhea. And despite all of that,
It was lovely. Yeah, it was actually nice.
Protocol test 19 ready to commence.
Steroid.
engaging protocols now.
Don't surprise me with an event right now. I have my hands busy.
Here we go. Time to make your grand re-entrance.
Flex.
Alright, ready for launch.
Roger that.
Raja da. Look at that. Yeah, shit.
Looks better than the original.
The smoke is a little overkill.
I thought the same too, but I think the purple is a nice touch.
What smoke? Shut it down!
What? Oh god. Ow, ow, ow. Too loud, too loud, too loud, too loud. Too loud. Wait, what the hell? Who closed it? No. Again, we got dispatched to the hospital. Oh my god, what was that smoke? Oh, beef. Here's my little beef. Oh, right.
Welcome back.
How long was I off?
About 14, 15 hours, I think.
Oh, fuck,
You
the
okay,
days.
Why do you look worse than me?
It's over, brother. I cannot recreate the astral pulse. Too much power, too small a size. No pulse mean I can't make the man Mecca.
Alright, don't give up. Failures.
Bro, fail you, I fail everybody.
Failures
Almost bring down
only.
the whole team. Almost get you, almost get everybody blowed up.
Hey, listen. You might not believe in yourself right now,
Come on, Roy.
but I believe in you, Royd.
It's not a little league game, brother. This real life.
Mistakes don't mean failure. Mistakes are shakebacks that you can pass with time.
You did your best. I can't ask for anything else.
Thank you. Hell yeah, the fist bump. Don't give up, Roy. You are literally my only hope.
That big bastard crying in the bathroom. Makes it hard to shit when somebody's doing that next to you, you know?
Pretty distracting. Yeah. Everyone else okay? And busy gal?
Fine. One thing she's good at is disappearing when people get hurt.
What's your deal with her? You give everyone shit, but it always seems extra with Vizzy.
Vizzy.
She's
Yeah.
a liability. And one of us needs to be objective when it's clear something's going on between the two of you. Don't think I don't see it. It's all over your stupid face. You like her. So I gotta hate her for the both of us.
You're reading it wrong. We work together, Chase. Our relationship is strictly professional. Nothing more than that.
Look, just be careful, kid. Some people, they're black holes. You reach out to help them and they just suck you in and do whatever the fuck black holes do. I don't know. They fuck you up.
Science, hell yeah.
Your new look screams I know some science shit, so I was with you the whole way.
Nah, come on, take the day off.
No, really. I'm fine. All I've got to do is sit at a desk.
Desk work doesn't land you in the infirmary. Think about that.
I'll mull it over.
And not really. Sometimes you get fucked at desk work. I'm just wait. I don't know who did that. I am 100% sure it was that guy.
Stick to the plan. If they're red ring or enhanced,
Oh.
proceed with caution.
Blind Blazer. Shoot.
One sec. What are you doing up?
Aww.
Turns out, I'm completely fine. Just sort of time traveled several hours into the future where I feel pretty rested.
Oh, cool, yeah. That happens to me every night.
Wish I could
Whoa,
say the
shit.
same. How's your shift going?
Good? Yeah, challenging. Made worse by all the enhanced villains we're dealing with lately. I have a whole new appreciation for you.
How fucked up did you fuck up my work?
I'm sorry about the pulse. Give us
It's
some time.
fine.
Royd's a little down, but I'm sure we can come up with alternate power sources.
We can make it. I am 100% sure.
Hey, really looking forward to tonight. Perfect timing.
Yeah, same. Wait, what are you?
What? What night? What night? Hey, yo. We did not agree to this. Rats are not dying. Who was it? Invisigal?
So, I'm no dispatch dude, but sending Malevolent a sub at Sunday school was the move.
Okay, hold on. 1 second. I needed to pop on down on the store. Can someone watch my sweet kitty hops? Entertain. Okay, you. Okay, 1 second. Let me see
I need
this.
someone to wait in line for this really cool game that I'm old enough to play, and my parents said it was okay to call SDN.
I don't know who to send. Golem, you're going.
Wanna get messy?
I need to pop on down to the store. Can someone watch my sweet kitty Hobbs while I'm out? He's fussy today.
All right. Sorry I'm late. What'd I miss?
What a miss.
Nobu finally decided to show up to work today. Where the fuck were you anyway?
I was up all night trying to figure out how you settled on Flambe. The corniest hero name I've
Oh,
ever
come
heard.
on.
Oh, big talk coming from the guy who looks like
Easy.
a NPC. This is you talking, Robert.
Taco shits. You've had taco shit since the sardine, right?
Sure. Yeah, let's go with that. I had taco shits.
Shits.
Like Invisigal said.
Wait, didn't you say you could handle spicy food?
Yes, which is why this doesn't make sense as an excuse, but it's totally the truth.
Well, give us the gift back.
Nah, I'm still gonna drink it. I don't care if it tears a hole in my stomach.
Damn, we were low-key hoping you'd toss.
I was gonna scoop it out of your trash after you clocked out.
Damn. Run, just run. What's that? What? Oh god. Yes! Oh my god! Oh. I almost lost 2 guys. Let's increase your mobility. And let's increase your intellect. Oh, 1 second.
Hello? Yes, it's that time of month again. Send your finest over to clean my abode.
Who the hell?
I'm already there.
Yeah, just give me 1 second. I will hack back. Oh, come on.
Don't you mess with me.
Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Right, left, left, right. Up, down. Oh, yo. Left, right, left. Up, down, left, right, left. Up, up, down, left, right, left. I had a brain fart there. What the hell? That was easy.
Did Blazer hold down the fort okay?
She did the best she could. Must be a bit rusty.
She's been away from the desk too long.
I thought this was an easy job.
Well, it's not. I just make it look easy.
Yeah, we're professionals.
Shit, Robert. You're actually cool.
He's not. He's just been gone all day, so it seems like he is.
Oh god. Oh, resume you on my road. Let's increase your intellect. You two are my smartest. 3, actually. Phenomenon.
Man, picking fights with randos outside the convention center. It's weird. Can you make it stop?
Phenomenon Man. I think that might actually be Phenomenon Man.
My pleasure.
You two are going.
Still thinking about that fucking taco last night. It was good, huh?
It was.
Were the tacos actually good, or was it just 3 a.m.?
Both.
Yeah, I'm with the guy
Yes.
on this one. I think it was both.
Yes.
Go again, just to be sure.
We could.
No one believes me, but there's definitely a ghost in my house. Anybody over there good at exorcisms? Or whatever?
I could have sent the level. Okay, who are you bonded with?
Yeah, okay.
Oh, what's it going to be this time?
You two
Gonna
are
be
going.
online tonight?
Oh yeah.
Great. Otherwise, I gotta play with randos.
I'll take care of it.
Swift as the knife, sharp as my knife.
You two.
I used to punch bums on that corner. Makes you wonder if the best days are behind us.
Best days are behind us, mate. Synergy. Oh yeah. Moderate increased success when sent together. Hell yeah.
Watch me burn.
Word on the street is, I'm about to make your job a whole lot easier.
What?
There's a full-on gang war happening at the warehouse district. Looks like Red Ring and the Frigos.
Shit. The Red Ring's closing in on this biker gang.
Oh, that's actually the Frigos. They're an e-biker gang. Way worse.
Okay, we scored it easily. Good work, the two of you.
You owe me one.
Add it to me tab.
I'm surprised this is the first time I sent the both of them.
Word on the street is, I'm about to make your job a whole lot easier.
Okay. All of you.
Call me a BOGO bitch.
Ma'am?
Okay, you have to stop calling me that. Whoa, did you guys hear Vanderstank and his wife got divorced?
Finally. I was beginning to believe Vanderstank's wife lacked both taste and sense.
Oh, that guy.
I knew the vibes were off this morning, but I couldn't tell if it was divorce
What?
vibes or shitty commute traffic.
Oh god, I forgot!
Going to hell after all.
Marrying someone.
God
is
damn
hell.
it.
Yeah, but only if you marry a billionaire.
Yeah, easy work here. Easy.
And to nobody's surprise, I'm perfect.
Hell yeah, 4 level ups, my god. Okay, charisma. Oh. You get a combat. I need more often mobility. And you get another charisma, intellect, sorry. Good work.
On fuego.
Mr. Vanderstank is requesting assistance instance, his line of delivery bots appear to have gained sentience and are attacking the city.
Guess what?
Let's fuck it up out there.
Absolutely.
Oh, what?
This is fucking weird.
Golem, you are so right. Why would those bots want in on this shit?
The yachties have taken over the mayor's after party. They're holding everyone hostage on their yacht.
Graceful, but deadly.
Knives?
Knuckles. 25.
What?
This is our 25th time being paired together.
Yeah, but who's counting?
I am.
Oh, yeah. I guess so.
Robbery downtown. Suspect is in pursuit, but we need SDN to defrost the bank.
Okay,
Hey,
you. Just all of you.
Faction of Darkness!
Oh, it might be
That's a good
full.
man.
Yeah, well, we can do it as anything. Knights. Max energy, hell yeah.
Ready, set, fire.
Okay, I was gonna actually flip out if it happened. Good work. Vigor. Mobility. Okay, you're maxed out now. Oh, that was actually good.
Hey,
Good work.
you're like pretty cool.
Shit. That's the nicest thing you've ever said to me.
Select physical. What should I add? Don't question me. Come on, just return faster, goddammit. Yes, thank you.
Sorry, Flambe, but we can't risk you burning the trapped civilians.
And now you're going.
I can be gentle. ETA. I don't know, Google Maps is being weird, but I'll be there.
What?
There's some activity down in the sewers. My tenants are getting uneasy. Can you folks look into it?
Listen, it was bring your kid to work day, and I thought he could try using the forklift.
Oh my god, you're a genius, my guy.
New me? Fucking rocks.
Please, anyone. Come on. Okay.
Okay, got it. Understood.
I'm gonna reroute to avoid churches and law offices. I just don't need that kind of drama today. Okay, back to it. Close your eyes. You're not gonna like what you see anyway. Sure, I can take a stab at it. Did you get that? I was trying to be funny.
I know. I noticed.
Oh, what's it going to be this time? Yo, who got the snacks?
I thought you said you had it.
No, that was me.
Night, everyone. Oh, I'm pretty fucking beat.
God damn it.
Your dumbasses in the morning.
I've got the booze.
Folks down for a carpool? I got room.
Shotgun.
I would like a
Huh?
ride. I'll bring extra.
Oh, as a
towels.
shotgun hit, not a shotgun.
Hey team, Blazer's doing a speech over at the college, and one of you will be there to hear it.
You're going. I knew I was a genius from the start. Wait, are they max level? Rank 10, yeah, I can still... Yeah, I can still level them up. Oh, a second. Engage with diplomatic relations. Easy. Why? Okay. Oh, hell
Today I
yeah.
have grown beyond Water Boy. I am Moisture Man. No, never mind. That's terrible. Water Boy is fine.
Hey, you're making fun of him. Okay, I need vigor. Okay, what did it give? Sure. This can be helpful.
I swear, this is all you. I mean, it's not because we're... Maybe it's time to let HR know.
Oh, max career rank! I'm maxed at hell. Oh, bring a hero back from down. Give me... I actually don't need anything, technically. Charisma. Malevola. Second day after the explosion. They haven't even cleaned it. My god, look at the helmet.
I mean, you know, it feels like for the first time in a long time I can see a life without Mecha Man. You know, which I'm sure you would appreciate. Been nice that we get to spend more time together, right? Teaching people to be heroes, guiding them. It's not nothing, but I think I can sit on the sidelines. I worked hard to get good at being Mecha Man.
Yeah.
I don't know that I want to just walk away from that. But just when I feel like I got a handle on it, got it figured out, I think about Chase and my dad and Shroud.
I am sliming that fucker.
You know what I'm saying, B?
You know what I mean.
Yeah, exactly. See, this is why I appreciate her talks.
Who's coming over? Oh god.
Are you decent? Definitely a house that needs some warmth.
Yeah, I told him that the last time I came.
I am in my underwear.
I am in my underwear.
I can see you. I was joking when I asked if you're decent.
I know. I just need you to know that I know how I look right now.
That rubs out, by the way. You just have to put a little muscle into it. Do you know where you want to hang this?
Why are you holding a lamp?
I think he's only considered where he'd hang himself. That corner seems fine. It's a housewarming gift for your housewarming party, Robert. I told people to bring a lamp or something.
Wait, people? More people are coming here? To my home. Look, I'm not really in a party mood right now.
Not what it looks like to me with your tidy whities.
Okay, she just touched my...
This is your family photo area? Kind of morbid. Which I'm kind of into.
Shut up.
Is that my work computer?
We figured it out, brother. The man can be Mecha again.
After your little premature Jack explosion, I had this feeling like I'd seen it before.
Then Vizzy asked me to get the energy reading we got this morning and cross-reference with recent calls.
Wait. It's not destroyed?
Nope. And a bunch of B-grade villains have been trying to unlock its power only to end up blowing their asses off like you did. Then they sell it on the next sucker and the same shit. It's passed hands at least 4 times that we've tracked.
How does Shroud not know this?
Yeah, probably think like us. They think it was destroyed. But he's a smart fucker, and he gonna figure it out soon enough.
That's why we get to it first.
Which is why we're having a party?
The Z-Teamers know every low-level supervillain in 3 counties. We track its location. They'll know who has it. Then we kick in some doors, knock some heads, snatch that shit back, and you'll be pulsing or whatever in no time.
Regardless of how this plays out. Thank you, both of you. I'm just, I can't remember the last time someone did something so...
Ow!
God, what is wrong with you?
Just get gushy after we find the shit.
So, one of the last pings that we got was from a boat over here in Marina Del Rey. Which is?
Oh, Yachty territory.
Why, she's here first. You know much about those guys?
Old money crew of ascot wearing cokeheads. Skylar Arcadia runs it now. 3 generations that family's been trying to finger me.
What are they accusing you of?
You're cute.
We're gonna ask you some questions about a piece of tech they moved. But first, Rob gotta put on pants.
Aw, what? But then I can't do this.
Yep, right on that.
You ain't gonna give me the second time.
I wake up exhausted, even in the morning, like I'm made out of decaf. I'm barely running. Oh, when I hate
Surprised my level actually knows who I am. It was sudden. Oh, cool. Punch up. Hell yeah. So, this music is good. I don't care. Oh! She's carrying it alone. I don't care if the music's copyrighted. I'm keeping it. Okay, where was I? Hell yeah. Everyone is here. Just barely move an inch. Punch. Yo, go Chase. Go. What a boy. Ah, this is beautiful. Come on, Chase. Why are you... He's so mad.
You do understand how projectors work, right?
But more dramatic. And bare walls are a sign of depression.
Why is it always a warehouse by the docks?
It's where stuff comes in and stuff goes out. Not a rocket scientist, are ya?
No.
No.
That's my dad. What kind of security are we dealing with?
That's where it gets tricky.
Shit.
Oh my god.
Oh, shit, you need a fucking army.
I'll go.
I can solo.
Can't shoot what you can't see.
Look, this is really great work, but doing this tonight is out of the question. Hitting a secure location like this is something they would handle downtown.
Are you kidding? There's enough firepower in this room to take down a fucking kaiju.
Bunch of drunk-ass Z-teamers, please. Y'all wouldn't make it past the front door.
No one's asking you to do a goddamn thing, okay?
Hey, no need for that. We take the day to plan it with downtown and hit the warehouse tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night? This thing's not gonna sit still for that long. If we don't grab it, someone else will.
We make a plan first.
This, but Laser's right. We make a plan. No need to rush this.
There's no guarantee it'll be there tomorrow. We need to go now.
She said no. You understand that word, or has it got too many fucking syllables for you?
Why don't you go walk your ass around a mall, Grandpa? Heroes are talking.
You are no fucking hero.
Whoa, hey!
She named you Invisigal, you named yourself Invisibitch, and you had it fucking right.
Yo, Grams, Chase.
You need to stop talking.
You want to get people hurt, get people fucking killed, then you need to go back to the team where you belong.
Hey, everybody just calm down.
This is crazy.
She thinks she's like you, but she's not. Robert doesn't need to keep going out there with no powers, putting his life on the line to make up for assholes like you. He doesn't need to be Mecha Man to be a hero.
Chase, please.
Wait, Robert's Mecha Man?
Thanks, Chase.
Playing yourself. You think you're invisible, but I fucking see you.
You don't know anything about me.
I know you're a liar, criminal. I know you're fucking dangerous. What else do I need to know? There. Now I know you're a coward.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Vizzy, wait!
That was a nice uppercut. That bitch sent his ass airborne. How are you not dead?
Chase, are you alright?
That's enough for tonight. I'm sorry this turned into whatever just happened.
Oh, okay.
Anyone who utters one word about what happened tonight fucking answers to me. Got it?
The boss. Oh, Flambe. Oh.
Like the frogs from that thing, you know?
You are doing and just came in the perfect second. Thank God he didn't hear what I said. Hey Chase, my guy. Don't be down. Punishing yourself?
Oh, are you in timeout? Because you told all my coworkers my secret identity? Thought you went home.
Came back to apologize. All these goddamn apartments look the same. That guy watching us from the balcony walked into his house thinking it was yours. Sorry about that. Fuck you!
Hey, he said he was sorry.
Well, fuck you too!
Oh, fuck you. Stop licking the lamp. It's so beep.
You sure this ain't vodka?
She told you?
Made quite a first impression. Didn't know you were into spitting in people's mouths.
Oh my God.
That internet somehow made sex boring.
Okay, now you sound how you look.
Another thing I can't do anymore. Fuck. Maybe it's why I say the word so much.
Sorry, Chase. I hadn't thought about that.
I had a pretty good run.
Literally.
You ever think about why we do what we do? Help people.
It's
Put
the
it all on the line
responsibility.
for someone who won't ever know your name, won't send you a thank you card, won't be at your bedside when you get hurt.
Makes me feel good.
Just makes me feel good, I guess.
You ever worry that a bunch of former villains actually get that same juice from the opposite, from hurting people?
That first week, Vizzy was gonna walk off the team. You know, she's feeling low, talking about how she was born with powers that always meant she'd end up as a villain. Like it was fated.
Fated.
So, obviously, I gave her the pep talk, you know. Like, that's all bullshit. You make up your own fate, yada yada. I don't even remember what I said, but I do remember thinking, oh, fuck. Yeah, that must have been hard. Like, if I didn't have you, you know, and my dad, where would I have ended up?
You were always good. That was always in you. It's what makes us different from a thief like her.
Oh, come on. You've stolen things, too.
What? You racist motherfucker. I never fucking told you my entire life.
Chase, you've literally stolen things from me.
Oh, yeah, but that doesn't count. That was for somebody else.
What, you quietly contemplating?
Yeah, I guess I hadn't considered some things. But I think the answers are out there if you just listen to the wind.
They are.
I see why you and Beef get along.
Oh, where's my guy?
He's licking that.
I'm sorry, my poor boy. That's it. There's my boy. There's my good boy. Who's a good boy? Beef is.
He's the best boy. Oh shit. What's going on?
Is there a mic on the...
Oh shit, what are they doing?
Hey, can you hear me? The fuck are you doing?
Oh, not much. Just looking for your stupid-ass pulse that's somewhere on this big-ass boat. Someone must have dropped a pin in the supervillain group chat, because this place is crawling with dipshits. Good news is, they don't know where it is either.
You know who's not good, Beefy boy? You know who's a real pain?
Fizzy.
Get out of there now.
Look, you're disappointed, I'm disappointed. I'm sure Chase will have some shit to talk, but I'm here, and this is our last chance of getting this thing.
Okay.
Oh god.
Hack into the system, I can trace the energy signal. Check the manifest.
Something would be great. Yeah, let's start with something.
I can't fail this. Okay. Up, right. Nope.
Shit, need a password.
Up, right. Nope. Here.
Hey, I'm getting a huge energy reading coming from the captain's quarters.
Right, and I'm supposed to know where that is?
See that tower?
The biggest one. It's at the top. Oh, perfect. So you want me to cross this active battlefield?
Look, I didn't want you to do any of this shit.
I get it, okay. Jesus.
Keep your eyes peeled for Visibit. Looks like she might know something we don't.
Shit, they're onto me.
Oh, hey, there's a door to your left.
Fuck, it's locked. Feel free to take your time. Just catching up with some old friends.
Almost got it. I think I can use this.
Hurry up!
Right, up, perhaps. Ah, that was a long pause there. So it's like been, what, a second for you? But for me, it's been like an hour or a half. An hour and a half. We've been hauling things. Yeah. Damn, that was a lot. Okay. Yeah, we're being chased. Hey!
This fucking guy.
Okay, hey, Busy, lead him towards that speaker tower. I've got an idea.
Better be a good one.
Follow me, Featherdick. I got something real cool to show you. At the tower, do your thing.
Working on it.
Work faster.
I am.
Oh, you fucking... Oh, yes.
Shut up. What? How do I get there? Oh. So dumb, I'm so dumb, I'm so dumb, I'm so dumb.
Busy, cover your ears.
Easy.
Is that why birds fly into shit?
Busy, look out, behind you.
Fuck me. How am I supposed to get around that?
Look, hey, just worry about not dying. I'll find you a way around.
Huh?
Yo, Vizzy's a beast.
God, why does the crane have the hardest controls? Don't mind me, just passing through.
Right.
Fuck me, they're minding me.
Fuck off, no way, I pressed left. I swear I pressed left. Oh.
Now the crane.
I swear to God I pressed left. That's bullshit.
Heads up, lights here.
Good work.
Quarters should be right in front of you.
Tell us where the pulse is, Invisibitch, before we go full Pompeii on your ass.
Full Pompeii on my ass? What kind of threat is that? You gonna give me diarrhea?
That was predictable.
Where the fuck is this thing? Because that's not gonna hold him for long.
It's in the safe.
The safe? I don't know how to open a fucking safe.
Fuck. Alright, let me see what I can do.
Give me 2 seconds.
I'd say this was excessive, but...
Just hurry up! They're almost through the door!
No, fuck off. No way. Oh shit. You can even see it's 101 second. Oh, God. Yeah, keep it low. Yeah, easy.
Alright.
Safe's open. Is it in there?
I don't know. Does it look like a little glowy butt plug?
You know what? I guess it does. Okay.
So now all you gotta do is sneak past the...
Why did it stop?
Oh shit.
Are they? Robert, what's going on?
I'm here. Just hang on. Trying to get the camera back online. I see you. You're good. Just take one step at a time.
Visigal, stop!
SHROUD, behind you!
Oh fuck you.
No. Hey, Busy, stay calm. Your inhaler, it's...
Just a few feet in front of you, okay? You gotta get to it.
Shroud, you bitch ass fucker. I swear.
Busy, he's just gonna keep fucking with you, but you don't give up, okay?
You bitch ass. I swear to God, when I get the chance, I'm killing you. I'm killing you.
You gotta fight. Please. Busy, hey, listen to me. You get up. Get up!
Keep up.
No!
Chase! Oh shit, don't tell me.
Okay, yeah, you're good.
Okay, thank God. Chase, please. No. No. No, no, no.
No, don't fucking do this, please. Please, Chase.
Chase, please. No, fuck. Please just tell me you're tired. Please just tell me you're tired. Please just. Please. Dude, I swear, if Chase dies, Shroud, you are fucking dead. Shroud, you are fucking dead. You are so dead. You are so dead. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. If Chase dies, you're gonna get fucking killed, Shroud. I am going to kill you, Shroud. No matter, even if you're my father, I am killing you. Okay. 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 Let me see this. Let's just. This is C team. This design is better actually. Like the mask would be cool, but this was wow, this was gorgeous actually. Now Prism, current Prism, she fucking lights up. She's perfect actually. Okay, all of them are cool except this one. This one is cool too. Okay. Well, she didn't change much. She just became okay. This changed that much actually. Punch up. Now the current punch up is really cool. This is dance. Flashback battle. Diagram. Villains. This was cool. Skittles team. Skittle thieves. That's Fucho's Sonar and Visigal and Waterboy. This was cool. This is cool looking. I like this art style so much. Oh, look at this. And this. Currently, I'm trying to forget that Chase is actually might be fucking dead. Shroud, on God, I swear, you will be dead. I will kill you in the worst possible fucking way, no matter what. No one can stop me. No one. Oh, this was so not hard. Punch up. What the fuck? Oh. They went up. Oh, this was when they broke up. Shell shock. It reminds me of a Roblox game, Shell Shock. It was cool. Oh, this is the story of Robert Robertson. Quazab. Damn, he fried this shit. Oh, this was Chase. Oh, this was me. Get up. Get up. Get up. Oh, this is cool. On God, if he dies, shall be or dead. This will be for today's episode. Tomorrow I will drop one. But I swear, if Chase dies, Shroud, I promise you. Okay, back then I said I will kill him, but I may or not had a change in heart. But after this, if Chase dies, it's permanently. Shroud, you are getting killed in the most painful way I can do it. It is gonna be it for today's episode. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you later on episode 7. Goodbye, everyone.